Hello, this is Teacher Precious and welcome to Art Smart. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin ay basic pencil shading. Okay? Now, I will teach you how to do shading, how to control stroke pressure, how to make light and dark strokes. Okay? Yan, dahil mukhang excited na tayong lahat, ilabas na nyo na ang inyong mga materials and let's start. Okay, so for today, we'll just be using papers and pencils. Okay, I will teach you some strategies on how to make your pencil strokes lighter and darker. Okay, so now, ready na tayo, okay? So this is an H pencil. Okay, this is an HB pencil. Ito naman yung 6B. Okay. Wow! When you make shading, when nag-shade kayo, it's not just about your strokes or your grip. Okay? It's also about the pencil. Okay? So yung pencil na gagamitin nyo, may kinalaman din sa inyo sa paggawa ng light and dark strokes. Okay? But to be safe, you can use the HB. Okay? Ito yung medyo medium shade. This is typical yung mga pencils natin, yung mga normal drawing writing pencils na makikita natin. But if you really want to make light strokes, you can use the H. Ito kasi yung very light. Okay? And yung B naman, ito yung soft. It makes dark strokes. Okay? So now let's make the tonal value scale. Gawa tayo ng rectangle. Okay? Rectangle. Not too big kasi matatagalan kayo. You can use a ruler. Yan, huwag masyado malaki ha. We're making a tonal value scale. I will teach you how to make light and dark strokes. Gawa tayo ng light and dark strokes. Tonal value scale. So, practice muna tayo. Yan. So, tonal values is the lightness or darkness of a shade. Okay. Now, hatiin nyo sa kalahati. Divide it in half. Divide it in half. Okay. This is for medyo pang-advanced na ha. And then half. And half. Now we have 4 squares. 4 squares. Okay? So we'll name this number 1, name this number 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So for number 1, this will be our light tones. And the number 4 will be our dark. Number 4 natin, dark tones, ha? Yeah. We'll try to make light strokes. For number 1, hindi na natin sushadean. Ito yung light natin. For number 2, ito yung medyo mas medium, tsaka yung 3. So now, when you shade lightly. Okay. Okay. If you hold the pencil near the tip, the tendency is it becomes dark. Pag dito nyo hinahawakan sa may dulo, usually mas madiin siya. Mas nagiging madiin. Okay? So medyo layuan nyo ng konti. Hold it a bit like 1 inch or 2 inches from the tip para medyo mas light. Okay, let's try to shade. Let's try to shade. Yan, dahan-dahan lang shade. One direction lang usually. Yan, shade natin muna. Hindi nyo kailangan diinan. You don't need to press too hard. Okay? And then do it also here in number 4. And usually when we shade, kailangan hindi masyadong huwag nyo madiinan agad kasi mahirap magbura. So it's better to do shading by layers. So example, gusto nyo itong i-darken pa, yung 4. Yan. Dadag-dadagan nyo lang ng layer. So, how will you use this shading? So this is nice if you will try to color. Kunwari, magpo-color kayo. This will also work with crayons. Okay, kung gusto nyo madiin. Okay. Tingnan nyo yung ginagawa ko sa dark. I'm just adding more layers. More layers. Yeah. Diba? We call it the precision grip. Ang precision grip, mas malapit sa tip, mas precise, mas exact, but it can be heavier. The dark one, we use it for making shadows. Shadows. Okay. After ng 3. So, 4, yung pinaka-dark, yung ating shadow. Tapos 3. Now, let's do number 2. Okay, so let's do lighter. So how can we make a lighter stroke? So what we do, look, move the pencil farther. Dito nyo hawakan sa gitna. Or kung talagang madiin talaga yung hawak nyo, pwede nyo dito pa ilagay, hawakan. Okay. So this grip, farther from the tip can make lighter strokes but lesser control. Mas konti yung control nyo. So, dapat dahan-dahan. But, ang maganda sa ganitong grip, madali siyang burahin. This is a kneadable eraser, net gummy or kneadable eraser. Nakaka-absorb lang siya ng pencil, ng graphite. Okay? Pero, hindi siya pwedeng pangbura ng madidiin. Pang light lang. Okay? Yan. So, we're making light strokes. Look how I hold it. Hold it here, ah. Malayo sa dulo. Ito, kneadable. Yung iba kneadable eraser. Or yung iba net gummy. Ano ang spelling ng net gummy? Parang gummy eraser. Makikita niyo siya dun sa may mga sa National Bookstore section na pencils and erasers. Square siya pag nabili niyo. Square. Nakasulat lang siya net gummy eraser. Ito yung tinatawag nating highlights. Highlights. Yan. So, highlights, ibig sabihin ito yung shiny part. Okay, I'm gonna show you something. Okay, tingnan niyo to ha. This part is, anong tawag dito? Highlight or shadow? Itong pinaturo ko ng pencil. Highlight! Yes! Okay. Paano nangyayari yung highlight? Highlight happens when light is reflected. What do you call this part? Call it the shadow. Okay, it's the shadow. Anong number kaya to? Dito sa tonal value scale, yung shadow. Tama, number 4. So kapag shadow, we do number 4. Okay? The highlight is where is in front of the light source. Okay? Usually in front of the light source. Okay? What about here? Kunwari yan, ito naman. Kunwari, ito 1, ito 4. Okay, what number is this? Anong number naman to? Number 2 or 3. Okay. Yan. So now, try natin mag-drawing na parang some buildings. Hindi ganito kahirap, mas simple pa. So now, let's try to draw some buildings. So first, let's try to draw a line. Maliitan nyo lang ha. Kasi baka hindi natin matapos eh. A line, ayan, line, and then, okay, then let's make a square dito. Itong line natin, ito yung horizon, parang yung load, square, and square. Tapos, then, another technique, you can do dots first. Yan, parang, you can use a ruler. Now, let's do a diagonal line. Look, dapat same size. It should be same size. Look. 1, 2, 3. Same, almost the same size. You can use a pencil to just estimate the size. Same angle din. Same angle. Diba? Okay. Now, let's try to connect. Connect. And then here, and connect natin to. Okay, now let's try to shade the cube. Tingnan natin ano ulit yung itsura ng cube kanina. Before we shade, this is also important. You have to identify the light source. Kailangan alam nyo saan nanggagaling yung liwanag. So, saan nanggagaling yung ilaw nito? Okay, kailangan ilagay nyo din. So, kunwari yung ilaw niya dito nanggagaling yung araw. Inuuna ko yung dark kasi mas sure tayo sa dark. And then yung light, mamaya na lang. Number 4 to number 4. Remember our shading, number 4. Yan, so press hard. So if you want to make it darker, diba, we hold the pencil here. And then, remember, ano itong isa naman? Ano naman itong isa natin? Diba, dito yung light source natin. Hindi, dapat ganyan siya. Yan, ganito pala. Yan. So yung number 1 natin is nasa, where's the number 1? Dito yung sun. Number 1, pinaka-lightest yung top part sa taas. Okay? And then, yung dito sa kabilang side, we can do it number 2 or number 3. You choose if you want 2 or 3. Diba? 2 or 3. Okay, maybe 2. First, 2. Can you do number 2 here? So, saan natin nahawakan yung pencil? Dito sa dulo o dito dapat sa gitna? But we want to make it lighter. Gusto natin mas light. So, dapat sa halip na dito, uurong nyo siya sa gitna. Yan, like na. Sige, shade nyo lang po. Tingnan nyo ako, ang layo mo ng kamay ko talaga eh. Kaya natin ginawa to, so it can be your guide. Look how I hold the pencil. You cannot even see my hand, my finger. See, I'm holding it far from the tip. Malayo sa tip. And so this is my number 2. This is number 1. This is number 4, 2, 1. Okay, some kids, medyo hirap sila humawak ng pencil. Okay? So you can use adaptive tools like this. Okay, my weights. So some children also, example, children with cerebral palsy, okay, yung medyo kailangan ng support sa paghawak ng pencil, you can do adaptive tools like this. So pwede kayong gumamit ng adaptive tools para mas makontrol at makawakan nila yung pencil. Kagaya nito. Pwedeng mga ganito, pampabigat. Sa mga cases naman kagaya ng paintbrush, kagaya nito, sobrang nipis. Yung iba kailangan nila ng mas makapat. Yun, ito. A DIY also for tripod grip. There are kids who are still in the pronate grasp. Ganito pa yung hawak nila sa pencil. Though okay lang naman if you're comfortable with it. But if you want to practice tripod grip, you can DIY like this, paper clip, tapos rubber band. Yan, para dito nyo i-place yung index finger. Yan. So, para may tripod grip. Next, let's make a triangle naman. Triangle. Okay. Kaya, sige, sample lang ko itong gripping aid na isa. To practice tripod grip. You can use this sa paper clip lang sa pagtuma. Triangle naman tayo. Okay. So, this time, we'll make heavy strokes here. Pwede namang mga teeth. Hindi, light na lang. Dito, 2 din. Ganun din. 2 tsaka 4. Light. See, I'm using a gripping aid, a DIY gripping aid to practice tripod grip. Yan. Okay. Now, this part, sa other part naman, try natin yung dark. Pero hindi masyadong dark. 3 lang. 3. Look, I'm holding it here. 3. Okay, what do you call this shape? A 3D version of a triangle. It's a pyramid. Okay, but we'll not try to make a pyramid. Lalagyan ko siya ng crisscross para magmukha siyang tower. Kunwari ito. City. Ito din. Ito ng crisscross, mga trusses. Yung supporting system sa towers. Diba? Kunwari tower. Ay. Tapos lagyan nyo. Below. Okay. Next naman, last shape na. Display. Pwede nyo siyang lagyan din ng windows. Door. Tapos windows. Yan. Mari building. You can add one more here, rectangle. Hindi ko kaya pa ng time, ha? Yan. Okay. Sige, I'll just add more. I'll just show you another rectangle naman. Building. So, kagaya kanina, look, 1, 2, 3. Yan. So, this will be for the shadow and this will be 2. The same lang. And notice me if I'm doing a dark shade, my hand is close to the tip. Malapit yung finger ko dun sa dulo, ha? Okay, but pag lighter naman, I can also switch pencils. So, I'm gonna make 2. I'm holding it farther, mas malayo. Tingnan nyo, mas malayo na yung hawak ko. Kasi gusto ko light, di ba? Kailangan light. Okay, lagyan natin yung windows. Ibang windows naman gagawin ko dito. Okay, there! Now we have our buildings. Diba? Then, yung shadow. Remember, last na. Yung ating shadow, di ba? So, nasan yung shadow niya? Yung length ng shadow. Tail ng shadow. Oops. Yan, yung tail ng shadow, look! Tingnan nyo, yun no, haba, di ba? Ito. So, it's the same. We'll do a shadow like that. O, ganun. Okay? Yan. Pwede nyo siya i-shading lang ng konti. there. Now we have our sunsets and shadows. Pwede mo extend pa lang. Yay! Okay, how was your work? Gusto nyo ba? You want to see how I draw anime and use shading for anime drawing? So, anime eyes. So, usually when you make anime eyes, you have to do also the thick and thin lines, kagaya nito, okay? So, gawa tayo ng dark. I start with number 4. We'll do this in 1 minute. Dark lines. And then, thin lines. And then, look. A big circle, small circle, big circle, small circle. This will be number 4. Itong gitna, number 4. Tapos, ito din, usually 4. So, I will use all the shades in one eye. Ayan. Tapos, I will do 2. Ayan, 2. And then dito, medyo 3 sa ilalim. Medyo 3 sa ilalim. And then you can actually make lines like that. And then dito, medyo very, very light shadows lang. And eyelids and eyebrows. Tapos pag-anime yun. Usually, mga anime drawings. Gawin natin yung kabila. Yan. Okay, there. Yay! That's my anime drawing. Okay? Hindi pala kita. Okay, did you enjoy? Did you like my drawing? Okay ba itong anime drawing ko? Tapos, kahabol. Okay, lagyan natin ang shading. Oh, look, observe. See, may 4, may number 3, may number 2, may number 1. Diba? Alright, thank you for joining us today. Tulad ng nakita nyo, lahat tayo kaya mag-drawing. Bye-bye! Thank you so much for joining!
Know your art, be art smart.